Bling bling, my sister. Hey y'all. There's this one thing that Korean love to do, which is to make their Aegyo Sal, which is this under part of your eye, pop more, so that it gives you a cuter and bigger eye look. So if any of you guys want bigger eyes like me, you want to keep a lookout right here, because this is one of the big tips to make your eyes look even bigger. What is the Aegyo Sal? I need to Google this in English. What is Aegyo Sal? It's called the cute eye fat. Okay, so this is basically the eye fat that we are talking about. How do you locate it? Some people have very obvious ones. Some people don't have those obvious ones. If you have some difficulty locating where it is, let me teach you a trick. Your eye fat comes out when it's a shadow. So like mine, you can see that there's a shadow underneath right here, and that is basically how you locate the eye fat. But if you don't have that, you can try squinting your eyes like that, and you can find that right here. Okay, so it should pop out much more obviously. So if you don't have one, it's fine. You can make one yourself. Normally, the size of the Aegyo Sal means the height of the Aegyo Sal is 1/3 of your pupil. So take that into account and you can draw them out yourself. Now you know how to locate where it is. I'm gonna teach you how to make it pop and make it come out even more. So this is a part of contouring and highlighting that nobody covers. Okay, there will be diagrams included, so please just watch out for the diagrams and you will be able to understand better where to draw and where to contour and where to highlight. Alright friends, you will need a contour palette. So this is mine from Too Cool for School. It's a Korean brand. So I realized that there's a lot of American brands where their contour powders are totally on the warm side. So this palette is really very neutral. So for contouring, right, I must tell you guys to choose a powder that is right for your skin tone. If you don't know what's your skin tone and your undertone, please watch this video right here and you will find out what it is, okay? But this palette is a very neutral kind of brown tone. If you look at a very famous contour powder, which is Hoola by Benefit, it's very warm. So people with cool tone actually don't really suit using that, and it will pop up really too much and it's bad, okay? And especially under your eyes, you want it to be very natural looking. If not, your whole eye's gonna look weirder. For your Aegyo Sal / your eye fat, you don't want it to go too dark. You can choose the same color as your nose contour powder. After you've located your eye fat and you got your contour powder and your brush, oh yes, about the brush, you want a very small tipped brush so that you can be very precise, because the area that you are working with is really very small. Let's start with a brown shade. This is a very light brown shade, and what you want to do is you want to contour the bottom of the eye fat. So by contouring the bottom of your eye fat, you bring out the eye fat more towards to the front. You want to contour the bottom. So you want to contour from the back to the front a little bit. Don't go all the way to where your eye starts. Stop here. If you find it too dark, you can always use loose powder to blend it out using the same brush. So now we go on to highlighting your eye fat. Okay, so by highlighting your eye fat, you bring this out. So you bring this out. What? Okay, you bring your eye fat a lot more. You pop it out a lot more. Bling bling, my sister. For your eye fat highlighting, you don't want anything unnatural. So please use a very fine shimmer to bring it out. You can even use very light matte highlighter or matte eyeshadow to bring it out. I have this one, which is my new highlighting palette. This is from Too Faced. This is their Love Light Prismatic Highlighter, and we're gonna pick up some on our brush. Then we're gonna do the first half of the eye fat and a little bit at the top here as well, at the front to the top. You want to squeeze your eye fat, squeeze to have it out, and go a little bit on the front and also on the top, this area. Can you see that it's popped already? And it's done! So the way I do it is really very natural already. There are people who use very dark shades of contour and very shimmery highlight for their eye fat. But for me, it's way too unnatural and I don't prefer it. So this is my way of making it pop. So thank you guys for watching this video as always, and I hope that you guys have learned something new. So if you are new and you like this video, please subscribe because I have a lot more coming that you might like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.